Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered how your phone seems to know what you want before you do? Or how weather forecasters can make surprisingly accurate predictions about the weather? The answer, my friends, lies in the fascinating world of predictive modeling. Predictive modeling is like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, we use science. It's all about using data and powerful mathematical models to make predictions about future events. From suggesting your next favorite song to helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, predictive modeling is changing the world as we know it. And guess what? You experience the power of predictive modeling every single day. Whether you're browsing online, checking the weather forecast, or even just using GPS navigation, predictive models are working behind the scenes to make your life easier and more efficient. Isn't that amazing? Stay tuned to learn more about the engine behind these predictions in the next section. So, how does this predictive magic actually work? Well, the secret ingredient is something called algorithms. Think of algorithms as special recipes that computers follow to process information and make predictions. Just like a recipe guides you step by step to bake a cake, algorithms provide a set of instructions for computers to analyze data and make sense of it. Let's say you want to predict the price of your favorite pizza. You could create an algorithm that considers factors like the cost of ingredients, the size of the pizza, and even the popularity of the pizzeria. By feeding this algorithm with historical data, the computer can learn the relationships between these factors and pizza prices. Then, when you input new information, like the size and toppings of your dream pizza, the algorithm can use its learned knowledge to predict the price. Pretty cool, right? Algorithms are like powerful tools that allow us to unlock the hidden patterns and insights buried within mountains of data. But just like there are countless recipes for delicious dishes, there are also many different types of algorithms, each suited for different tasks. Let's dive into the world of these algorithmic recipe books in the next section. Just as you wouldn't use a cake recipe to make soup, different types of algorithms excel in different situations. Let's explore a few popular ones. Linear regression. Imagine you're trying to predict how many glasses of lemonade you'll sell on a hot day. Linear regression is like drawing a line on a graph where temperature is on one axis and lemonade sales are on the other. The steeper the line, the more lemonade you sell as the temperature rises. Decision trees. Imagine you're trying to predict if your friend will like a movie based on their past preferences. A decision tree asks a series of questions like, do they like action movies or do they prefer comedies? Each answer leads to a new branch in the tree, ultimately guiding you to a prediction. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks are incredibly complex algorithms that excel at recognizing patterns. They're like having a team of super detectives working together to solve a case, constantly sharing clues and refining their understanding until they crack the code. These are just a few examples of the many algorithms used in predictive modeling. The choice of which algorithm to use depends on the specific problem and the available data. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. Now that we've explored some popular algorithms, let's see them in action. Predictive modeling has revolutionized countless industries, making our lives easier and more efficient in amazing ways. Weather forecasting, remember those weather forecasts we talked about? Meteorologists use sophisticated algorithms that analyze vast amounts of atmospheric data, such as temperature, wind speed, and humidity, to predict future weather patterns. Recommendation systems. Ever wondered how online streaming services seem to know your taste in movies and music so well? Recommendation systems use algorithms to analyze your viewing and listening history, identifying patterns and suggesting new content you're likely to enjoy. Healthcare predictive modeling is transforming healthcare by helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop personalized treatment plans. By analyzing patient data, algorithms can identify individuals at risk of developing certain conditions, allowing for early intervention and better outcomes. These are just a few examples of the countless ways predictive modeling is shaping our world. From finance to transportation, education to entertainment, these powerful algorithms are changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Shaping the future algorithms at the helm. As we venture further into the digital age, algorithms will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in shaping our future. With the exponential growth of data and advancements in computing power, the possibilities for predictive modeling are virtually limitless. Imagine a world where self-driving cars navigate our streets with unparalleled precision, where personalized medicine tailors treatments to our unique genetic makeup, and where smart homes anticipate our every need. This is the future that algorithms are helping to create, a future brimming with exciting possibilities. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the transformative potential of algorithms, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and ensure these powerful tools are used responsibly for the benefit of all humankind. Let's explore this further in the next section. The importance of understanding algorithms. As algorithms become increasingly integrated into our lives, understanding how they work is more important than ever. By developing algorithmic literacy, we can become informed citizens, capable of engaging in critical discussions about the impact of these technologies on society. Just like learning to read and write empowers us to comprehend and navigate the world around us, understanding the basics of algorithms equips us to make sense of the digital landscape and make informed decisions about our data and privacy. Moreover, algorithmic literacy enables us to identify and challenge potential biases embedded within these systems. Because algorithms are created by humans, they can inadvertently reflect and amplify existing societal prejudices. By understanding how algorithms work, we can work towards creating fairer, more equitable systems that benefit everyone. The ethics of algorithms. As we've discussed, algorithms are powerful tools that can be used for good or for ill. It's crucial to use them responsibly and ethically, ensuring that they don't perpetuate harmful biases or infringe upon individual rights. One of the biggest concerns surrounding algorithms is the potential for bias. If an algorithm is trained on biased data, it will likely produce biased results. For example, an algorithm used for hiring decisions that's trained on data skewed towards a particular gender or race could unfairly disadvantage other groups. Another ethical consideration is privacy. Algorithms often rely on vast amounts of personal data, and it's important to ensure that this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly and with the informed consent of individuals. We must strive to strike a balance between harnessing the power of algorithms and safeguarding individual privacy. The future of algorithms. The field of algorithms is constantly evolving, with new and more sophisticated techniques emerging all the time. As we look to the future, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of algorithms in every aspect of our lives. One exciting area of development is the field of artificial intelligence, which seeks to create machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI algorithms are already being used in a wide range of applications, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants, and their capabilities are only going to increase in the years to come. Another promising area of research is quantum computing, which has the potential to revolutionize the way we process information and solve complex problems. Quantum algorithms could unlock unprecedented capabilities in fields such as medicine, materials science, and cryptography, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements. Conclusion: embracing the power of predictions. From recommending your next favorite song to helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, algorithms are shaping the world around us in profound ways. By understanding how these powerful tools work, we can harness their potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges and create a brighter future for all. So, the next time you encounter a personalized recommendation, a weather forecast, or any other example of predictive modeling in action, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity of algorithms and the incredible ways they're shaping our world. The future is full of exciting possibilities, and with a little curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, we can all play a part in shaping it for the better. If you learned something new, like the video, share your thoughts in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more related videos.